When we set out to design a map, the first thing we start with is kind of like a high concept for the level.
We had the ability to create something that was more uniquely American. So we did cities like Los Angeles and Miami. That offers us a completely different feeling than what you would get from a typical Battlefield map.
So once we've had that high concept, we really start with the research, finding a bunch of different images. In some cases, we actually go out and look at the locations and take photos. So I start on 2D graph paper, kind of do some top-down stuff, and then we turn that into an actual more polished map and incorporate it into a pitch deck. So once we have the pitch established, that's when we start thinking about the levolution. We wanted to include the big spectacle stuff that fans would come to expect from the Battlefield series. So for in downtown, the large tower crane comes crashing to the ground, and as it does, it's tearing holes through both of these skyscrapers, and then it basically creates interconnecting routes between them. There's 4 hydraulic tensioners. These things are basically holding the crane in place, and if you destroy 3 of them, the crane comes down. So if I look at this stuff in the scripting and see these tensioners, and this basically will trigger all the events that happen. And this is just one tiny piece of the scripting that goes into creating this event. Not only does it take my time designing this and figuring out exactly how all this stuff is going to work, and then ultimately it's the animators and the technical artists and the VFX guys and the sound guys to really bring this event to life.
Look out! The crane's coming down!
I'm super excited to watch people explore our levels, find all the really, really cool details that we've put into it, and see the amount of thought and passion we've put in behind what we've created.